we're gonna read Pigs Make Me Sneeze. You know an elephant with a pig sneeze right now with lots of tissues. Gerald! What do you want to do today? Yes? A ball, a swim, a hat.
Chew!
Are you okay?
I am not.
No.
Chew! I can't not stop hissing. Chew! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs made me sneeze? Chew!
What if you're tired to sneeze more softly?
Sorry! But if pigging to make me sneeze when I can't not be near me, you, then we can't not be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald,
Oh, do you say?
do not speak.
I do. It is too late. Shoo. Goodbye.
Gerald! Are you okay, Gerald?
I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pig makes me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is a lot my best friends. Chew! Right now, Cat made me sneeze too.
I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You're sick.
I'm sick. Oh, thank you, Doc. Pig, great news. I have a cold.
Good for you. Hey guys, so the end of this book just shows a pigeon with nothing. Is a pigeon with a hat or something? Did anyone know?
He's out and a rock over too. That's why the pigeon has this over here.
Lord is just so, my friend is just so excited. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Pigs make me sneeze. Join on the next clip. Bye.
And click here.
And click subscribe down below.